Hey guys, what is up today? It's the Casual Coder, and in today's video what I'm going to be showing you is how to combine PDF files together. I had to do this recently because unfortunately my printer can't scan multiple pages together, so what I had to do was scan each page separately and create a PDF for each of those. But unfortunately I wasn't able to submit the document like that, so what I had to do was combine the PDFs together. And through that process, I was able to find a convenient, easy way to do it. So I'll show you that now. So as you can see here, I've got two PDF files ready to go that I've just downloaded off the internet. So all we really need to do is just go into our browser and search up I love PDF. So as you can see right now, there's I love PDF, and I've already clicked on merge PDF before. So we'll go there now. And what I love PDF is just a website dedicated to various features relating to PDFs. So now I'll just go back to I'm now at my desktop, and I'll just grab those two PDF files and just drag them in. Oop. Drop that one, and I dropped that one. So yeah, as you can see, I can order them. So if I drag them in the wrong order, I can order them how I like. I can add more, and I can upload from the computers like PDFs from Google Drive or even Dropbox. But I won't do that for now, so I'll just do these two pages. Hit merge, download that merge file, and I'll save it as that for now. And opening that up, as you can see, that's the first file. And there we go, there's the second file. Easy as that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. I hope it helped you, and yeah, thanks for watching guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Peace.